Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be demoing the Kiss magnetic eyeliner along with the magnetic lashes. I've seen magnetic lashes before and I've always wanted to give them a try, but I just haven't gotten around to doing it. So last week was National Lash Day and I said, why not? I'm just gonna pick the lashes up and give them a try. So this system actually comes with the magnetic eyeliner and the magnetic lashes, and I have the lashes in the style Lure. Again, this whole system is by Kiss. Here is what the packaging looks like. As you guys can see here, the liner is here, and then here are the lashes, and if you look really closely, you'll see that there are tiny little magnets on the actual lash. I hope you guys can see that. Literally on the box it says line lash done, we're done, and it says it lasts up to 16 hours. It's wind resistant, they're reusable, and it says the liner does not smudge. I'm gonna just go ahead and pop these on. I already did my face makeup for today. I added very minimal mascara. I do have my mirror here and a pair of tweezers just to help me out. Ooh, hey. Alright, so here we are again, up close and personal. You know how we do it. So I do have a mirror here to look at, and then I also have like my small mirror to help me because I need to see things up close and personal. So I need to have my mirror, a smaller mirror, so I can get real close. I don't know if you guys can see the very small dots there. Those are the actual magnets. I don't know if you guys know, like when you get a pair of lashes, there's usually like a very thin strip of clear glue to hold the lashes there, but because these are magnetic, there is no glue. There's little teeny magnets there to hold the lash on. It's so cute. So I'm gonna peel that off. Oh my god. That's really cute. These lashes are so dainty. I wish they were a little bit fuller, but it's okay. That's all right. So I'm gonna go ahead and with the magnetic eyeliner. It doesn't smell strange or anything. It has a really fine brush, which I really like. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm grabbing my tiny mirror. I don't want the line to be too thick, so I'm gonna try my hardest not to go crazy with that. Oh god, I think I made it a little thicker than I wanted already. I want this line to be super thin. Not super thin, but thin. Definitely want to make sure I get the corners because we don't want any lifting. So I have the lash here, and I am gonna use my tweezer to apply the lash. Oh my gosh, my tweezer is getting stuck to the lashes. Oh my god, it's like stuck because it's magnetic. Okay, that's crazy. Okay, I try to keep my tweezer below the magnet, and now I'm gonna go ahead and place it in the middle. I don't know about this, guys. I'm nervous. What? Okay, the tweezers are not a good idea because they're literally getting stuck to the magnet, so that's a no-go. Y'all, what is going on? Okay, my lashes are all in the way. I really feel weird not using the tweezers. Okay, they're kind of sticky. Oh, okay. All right, almost there, guys. I'm so sorry that you can't see what I'm doing. Okay. Yo, it's actually sticking? Oh my gosh. Oh, it's on there. It's on there. Wow. My gosh. Okay, I think I kind of see. Alright, it's not sticking in the corner yet, though. Alright, that's making me a little bit nervous. Oh, God. I want to use a tweezer so bad, but I don't want them to get caught on the magnet. This is so funny. Oh, God. Okay. It's just the inner corner that's not sticking. So I'm gonna try to use a tweezer without getting too close to the magnet. Okay, I think that the eyeliner dried. So where it's not sticking in the inner corner, I'm just gonna go on with this brush and apply more liner and then see if I can get it to stick then. Okay. The liner is still technically wet right now, so I'm just gonna see what happens. Keeping the tweezer not too close to the magnet, but I still need to hold it. Oh, it's not really sticking. Okay, get the tweezers out of here. It doesn't like the tweezers. Don't do that. I have to just use my fingernail. Alright. Okay, I think I got it on there. Now that I have the liner on, I kind of got it to stick to the inner corner. It's not, I kind of feel like the magnet was picking up some of the eyeliner. I don't know, it's not sticking that well there. It kind of moved the liner. So I see why they're saying use this in conjunction with your own eyeliner that's not magnetic. I'm going to put the other eyelash on. Okay, all right, I did it. I freaking did it. I did it, y'all. Okay, so right now it is 4:05. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I'm gonna wear these for a couple of hours. I'll come back and I'll give you guys my final thoughts on this. So right now everything is looking okay. The end did kind of look like it was lifting up a little bit, but you know what? I'm not gonna mess with it no more. I'm just gonna leave it. I'm not gonna keep picking with it. I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. Hey everybody, I'm back. So it's been a few hours. It is now 8:01. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's been a few hours. I went out and about. I let the wind blow on my face and everything. The lashes are still here. So this inner corner part wasn't laying down for me when I applied them. I did apply more of the magnetic eyeliner, but I don't know, it was just not laying right from when I applied the lash. So I do have lifting here, but the rest of the lash is flush, so it's not raised or anything. It's still on there. This one, the outer corner, is not laying flush. It never really stuck that great. So when you're applying these, make sure the magnets are stuck down. If they're not stuck, they're not gonna get stuck. It doesn't matter how many extra coats of the eyeliner you put down. It's just, I don't know, you're gonna have to just try to reapply. The lashes are still on here. They're not bad. I feel like if you're a beginner, you should use them, but also I feel like if you're a beginner, it's gonna be hard for you, because if you're a beginner automatically putting false eyelashes on, I would advise you to use tweezers. But you can't really use tweezers with these because the magnet is sticking to the tweezer. If you have plastic tweezers, you might be alright, but if you have metal tweezers, it's gonna be really hard because it's just gonna be hard. So I feel like it's kind of beginner friendly, but not really. If you're comfortable putting eyelashes on with just your fingers, you would have an easier time. If you're used to using your tweezers, you're gonna have a hard time, especially if your tweezers are metal. I definitely feel like when you're applying them, you need to make sure that the eyeliner is kind of tacky or wet. If it's dry, it's not really gonna stick to the magnet. So you don't want it to be super wet and slippery, but you also don't want to let it dry. So somewhere in between there, you want to hurry up and get the magnets onto the liner, or else it's not going to stick. You can use your regular eyeliner in conjunction with the magnetic liner, but I did not do that. I decided not to do that. I just went over the lash strip with the actual magnetic liner and just left it at that. Would I suggest them to a beginner? Probably not. If you're like used to doing makeup and you're like medium to like advanced, I would suggest these, giving them a try. If you're a new beginner, I don't know. If you're comfortable using your fingers, then definitely you should give these a try. If you're a tweezer girl, be careful. Be careful. Alright, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.